Hi everyone, so let's review this figure of Monkey D. Luffy Gear Force Bounceman or Boundman from One Piece by Banpresto. So first, let's take a look at the box. As you can see, there's the logo of Banpresto, Bandai, One Piece, and a clear image of the figure of Luffy. And it says King of Artists, the Monkey D. Luffy Gear Force Special. So let's take a closer look. So at the side, they are the image of the Bounceman and Snakeman. And also here at the back, image the logo of One Piece, King of Artists, Monkey D. Luffy, Gear Force Special. And the other side. So at the top, there should be a authenticity sticker of the Toei animation, and it says King of Artists, the Monkey D. Luffy Gear Force Special. There should be a 3 seals here, but I already unboxed the figure. So at the bottom, 3 seals, 1, 2, 3. So by the way, there should be a cardboard here, but I already threw it. So this is the figure of Luffy, Gear Force, Bounceman. All in all, there are 8 parts. The upper body, the lower body, the base, his arms, and this smoke has 4 parts. So I really love these figures. Let's take a closer look. So you can see the details of his face, his mouth, eyes, and hair is really good. His arms, you can see his veins from his haki. And the other arms, it's good. His body, the detail is good too. You can see this. His shorts, he has a small feet and legs, but his body is very big, just like from the anime or manga. This is the base. So at the back, his hat, his clothes, and there's also this one. So this is a cool figure. Let's measure the height of the figure from the stand to the top of his smoke. So it's 7 inches or more than 7 inches. I will give this figure a perfect score, 10 out of 10. I love the details and everything, so thank you very much for watching.